Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just got mine. A telescopic stool by G. Eber Sound. See it? Look at this. I'm gonna open it up. It's an unboxing here. You know how the smooth one does. Smooth one production. Ah. Whoa, we have the stool. We have a USB cable, USB-C cable for charging. We have a little bit of literature. And we have the telescopic stool. So, how does it work? I don't know how it works. How do you open it? I don't know how you open it. I see that's a strap. I see this is a strap. Let's see something. Oh, look, it snaps out. It snaps out. And it locks into place. Look at that. It locks into place and you sit down on it. And then it has a USB port. It has a port through the charging stuff. You can charge your phone with this. Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm about. This is it. Look at that. I got my own portable chair. And that's how it works. You go. That's the charging port. You just put it to wherever you want to put it, and it locks into place, and you can sit down on it. I can use this for models and everything. Look at that. That's real cool. And it locks. Look at that. Hold on. And it goes up and down. Look at that. It locks even at this height. Wow. I don't have to carry a whole bunch of stuff around. I got my own little sit down. I can charge my phone. Look at that, man. This is cool. Look at that. It even locks it that low. I don't need any more stools. Let me see if I can charge something up with this thing here. Oh boy. That's real exciting. I don't know if the charging port works. But yeah, see, it locks down. It's frozen. I don't think I have anything that I can charge right now. Anyway, my other iPhone. Let's see. I don't know. We're gonna see. Okay, this is my iPhone. I don't know if it's charged or not, but I'm gonna see how the charging port works. Okay, so I understand how that part works. I'm gonna push this up in here. Let's see. Okay, I put, and this is the charging port to it. That's how you would charge your phone with it. I gotta charge it up though, because I haven't. It's not really charged, but this is how it charges up your phone while you're sitting there. It's pretty cool. Let me pull this out. But this is it. It opens up. You lock it. You can sit down on it. Affordable stool for your models and stuff like that. Hold on. It's very ingenious. Goes all the way down to here. It locks up. I can carry this with me. Smooth One Production. And I'm out. Telescopic stool. Smooth One Productions with a mobile phone charger. This is the box. It comes with a USB cable. This is the instructions. Let me show you the other cable. This is the cable to charge it. This is a nice thing here. And we'll show you again. I'll show you again. That's how it works. This is the stool. You can sit down. Now I got a portable chair with me anywhere I go. Smooth One Productions. Close it up a little bit more. That's the, hold on, see this part here? That's the charging port. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out. Part 2, I'm just letting y'all see that I'm charging the charger up on the stool. It's a USB-C. So we good here. But it's a nice, great, wonderful design. Portable stool. You see it? Yeah, I'll open it up again for you while I'm trying to charge it. It extends and it locks when you turn. Hold on. See, it locks so you can sit down even this low. Right now I'm just charging it. As you can see, I'm charging it up. It's the telescopic stool. I ordered it off of Instagram, Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.